This is the Vantrue E3, and honestly, it might be one of the smartest dash cams you can buy right now without jumping into absurdly expensive territory. It records the front, inside, and rear of your car at the same time, packs in voice control, parking monitoring, and surprisingly solid night footage. But after testing it in real-world driving for a while, I found a few things the marketing doesn't really tell you. So, is this actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk about it.
Vantrue E3 product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Vantrue E3 is a premium triple-channel dashcam system from Vantrue, designed for people who want complete coverage of their vehicle. It records the road ahead, the cabin interior, and the rear view simultaneously. This thing launched as a higher-end option aimed at rideshare drivers, commuters, road trippers, and honestly, anyone who wants better protection in case something goes wrong on the road. The big selling point here is simple. You're getting a lot of flagship-level features, like Starvis sensors, Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, voice commands, and advanced parking surveillance, all packed into one system. Vantrue E3 performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does this thing actually perform in real life? Honestly, this is where the Vantrue E3 surprised me. Daytime footage looks incredibly sharp from the front camera. License plates are readable in most normal driving conditions, and colors look natural without that weird over-processed look some cheaper dashcams have. But night performance is really where this thing earns its price tag. Thanks to Sony Starvis sensors, low-light recording is genuinely impressive. Street signs stay visible, headlights don't completely blow out the image, and interior cabin recording at night is actually usable, which is huge if you're driving for Uber or Lyft. Now, is it perfect? Not entirely. The rear camera is good, but it's not quite as detailed as the front feed. And if you're driving on rough roads, you might occasionally notice slight vibration in footage, depending on how well you mounted it. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features, because this thing is packed. First up is the triple camera recording setup. You're capturing front, rear, and interior footage all at once. Why does that matter? Because if something happens, an accident, vandalism, or even an issue with a passenger, you have multiple angles backing you up. Then there's voice control, which is honestly more useful than I expected. You can say commands like take photo or lock video without taking your hands off the wheel. That sounds small, but in stressful situations, it's genuinely convenient. Another standout is the 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. Transferring footage to your phone is dramatically faster compared to older dashcams that crawl over 2.4 GHz connections. And trust me, when you need footage quickly, speed matters. Parking mode is also excellent here. The dashcam can monitor impacts, motion, or suspicious activity while your car is parked. So if someone backs into your car at a parking lot and drives off, there's a good chance this catches it.
Design and build. Aesthetically, the Vantrue E3 looks clean and pretty premium. It's compact enough that once it's mounted behind your rearview mirror, you mostly forget it's there. The matte finish helps avoid fingerprints, and the build quality feels solid without feeling overly bulky. Now, cable management can get a little messy since you're dealing with 3 cameras, especially during installation. So this is not exactly a 5-minute setup unless you're comfortable routing wires around your car interior. Pros: strong night performance with Starvis sensors, useful voice controls and fast Wi-Fi transfers, great option for rideshare drivers and commuters. Cons: rear camera quality is slightly weaker. Full parking mode requires extra accessories. Final verdict. Look, if you're somebody who spends a lot of time driving, whether that's commuting, road tripping, rideshare work, or just wanting extra protection for your vehicle, the Vantrue E3 is honestly one of the better premium dashcam options out there right now. It combines strong image quality, genuinely useful smart features, and dependable performance in a package that feels polished and trustworthy. And that's important, because a dashcam is one of those products you hope you never need, until suddenly you really do.
Now, if you only want basic front recording, this might be overkill. There are cheaper options that'll get the job done. But if you want full coverage and peace of mind, the E3 makes a very strong case for itself.